So it's the moment in the conversation where she wants to stay more than how much she wants to leave the conversation, okay? And you will usually reach it after, like, between immediately and 2-3 minutes or so. If you're new here, my name is Luca and I'm one of the world's leading experts about approaching girls in the daytime. Since 2018 I've helped over 1,200 men sleeping with new girls approached in the daytime. I started teaching it only in Italy in 2018 and then also internationally from 2022. The third stage of the interaction, so the third step, which is the hook point, okay? The hook point is the moment in the conversation where she saw enough about yourself, about you, to say, okay, this is a cool guy, he's not a weirdo, I can stay to talk to him, okay? So it's the moment in the conversation where she wants to stay more than how much she wants to leave the conversation, okay? And you will usually reach it after, like, between immediately and 2-3 minutes or so. It's not something that requires like 10 minutes or 50 minutes. And you will reach the hook point by creating attraction. Okay, and remember, attraction is made from behavioral characteristics. For example, showing confidence, behaving in a funny way, which doesn't mean that you have to be a clown, but bringing fun to the conversation. And for example, also social intelligence. As I told you at the beginning, it's very important to show social intelligence, otherwise you will get rejected. And showing social intelligence, it will also create more attraction. Okay, and you will reach the hook point also with your conversation skills and also with your flirting skills. Because if you understand the principles behind the conversation, but you are having only platonic conversations, you will never get laid. So you have to also unlock the level 2 of conversation, which is flirting, the flirting skills. So if you want to go from being shy or a virgin to having sex with new girls you've met in real life, reducing the chance of rejection to almost zero, even if you don't know what to say to her or feel anxiety at the only idea of going to talk to her, click on the link in the description below and book a free consultation.